There are certain things, tips, tricks, do I call them tricks? Okay, there are certain things that you should do before you eventually apply your fragrances. Now, if you're interested in finding out those things, kindly keep on watching. Hey lovelies, I'm Jo Purple and I'm a makeup artist and content creator based in Lagos City, Nigeria. Now, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Hey, welcome, yay! Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Now, today I would like to teach you how to layer your perfumes for a long-lasting scent that stays with you all day. Now, trust me, once you master this, you'll be working on. Hey, when you enter, when breeze just blow like this, when someone just walks past you, like, that thing is so sweet. Me, I won't even like the amount of compliments I get when I go out. Someone just, oh, you smell so good. Hey, God, my head got to burst. My head be like that biggest balloon wants to burst. Hey, Lord, I love it. I love it. I'm so sorry. Back to what we're talking about. I'd like to tell you how to layer your perfumes to achieve that long-lasting scent. Now, the first step to layering your perfumes is prepping your skin. I know, don't come for me. You be like, Jo, for makeup you tell us to do skin prep, and now we're talking about fragrance and you're talking about skin prep again. Yes, just calm down, don't eat my ear yet, just calm down and hear me first. Okay, fragrance, they tend to cling to a moisturized skin. Do you understand? So hydrating your skin before you eventually use a fragrance it will help you. It will help you. It's different when your skin is just dry and you're applying fragrance. It's not going to give you that same longevity as to when you've used a good moisturizer to like hydrate your skin. So you want to use an unscented or lightly scented lotion that complements your perfume for that day. Now, it depends if you're someone who is that enthusiastic that you like to follow through with the same. If you're using a vanilla and scent profile for that day, you want to use a vanilla lotion. It depends on you, but you will have to always make sure that your skin is moisturized. Always apply lotion before you eventually go to apply your fragrance. Now, let's build your scent. So first off, after you've done your hydrating, your moisturizing, so you want to use a body mist or a scented oil. Now, this is an example of a body mist. There are different body mists that you could buy or scented oils. So you want to apply these things to your wrists, back of your ears, your collarbones, your navel, the back of your knee. These places, these are your pulse points. Now, these places, they tend to generate heat, so it's going to help to enhance the performance of your perfume. Do you understand? So these are places that generate heat, so you want to put here, you want to put here. Now, you're starting not yet with your perfume, you're using your scented oils or your body mist. That's what you're going to do first, to apply to all your pulse points before you now proceed to the next step. The next step is to spray your perfumes. Now, you want to start with the first one. You always want to make sure that you have the perfumes you're using, they have similar scent profiles. What do I mean? Not that one is smelling, it's a very woody, musky fragrance, and you're using this very floral vanilla. You might enjoy it, you might like it, but it's usually better when they have the same scent profiles. Do you understand me? So you want to start applying those perfumes on those places that you already used your body mist and your scented oils. That's why you want to start with your wrists, these places, your collarbones, the back of your ears, your navel, the back of your knee. You know, those are the places you want to apply the perfumes. Step by step, you use your first bottle, use about 2 to 3 sprays for each. Yes, sometimes maybe just 2 sprays, depending on how hard the fragrance is. I think that's the word I should use. So you want to use like 2 to 3, even 1, depending. There are some perfumes that I've just used only 1 spray and I'm good to go. Obviously, I'm layering it with something else, so you want to use it on those same places that you've applied your body mist and your body oils. After you've done that, this is one of my lovely babies, by the way. After you've done that, you want to use the cloud method. The cloud method is basically you just spray. There are perfumes that have nice atomizers, right? You just spray and you walk into your glory. Hey, Lord! You just spray it they call it the cloud method. You just spray it 1-2 puffs and you just walk into it majestically as the king and the queen that you is. Now, the idea of the cloud method, what we just did, is just to ensure this even distribution on your hair and your clothes. I know you've applied on your pulse points, you just finish up with the cloud method and you walk, like I said, into your glory. So everything just distributes perfectly. So someone is hugging you and they're feeling you. Someone just stands close to you. Someone sniffing your hair and you're like, hey, girl, what the heck are you doing to me? Oh boy, what the heck are you doing to me? You smell so good. Oh my goodness. On your own, you have to check your fragrances and see how to mix the scents. Someone will not necessarily come and tell you if you layer this and this together you get this. Trust me, I've tried this. Some people, oh, layer this your tower gold, or layer this your rave. Now women with this, you know what you love to smell like, you know what you feel like smelling like, so, or scenting like. So you try out your combos and see how it works for you. You get compliments, you like the entire, because when you layer these things, it's like giving you one thing. So it's like that scent profile, that signature scent, that's what it's giving you. So you find out what works for you. As much as you do research, find out how you want to layer those combos. Oh, should I layer this and this? Did I like it when I did it? Did I get compliments when I did it? So you alone know what works for you. So that's what you want to do. Lastly, for longevity, it's just a quick tip. Don't rub your wrist together. I know we have this habit of you spray it and you do, even here you do it. No, don't rub it together. It breaks the top notes and it shortens the longevity of the scent. So you don't want to do that. You just let it be. Let it breathe, let it evaporate the way you want to evaporate. Don't rub it together. You spray here, you spray here, spray here, spray here, spray here, spray here, spray here, back of your knee. You know how we do your pulse point, and trust me, your perfumes will last all day. And that's it, lovelies. With these few steps of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that yes, there are certain things you can do that will help the longevity or the performance of your perfume. Okay guys, if you totally enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and most especially subscribe to your girl's channel, and I will see you in the very next video. Until next time, stay beautiful and handsome. Yes, I still have made guys watching my video. Stay beautiful and handsome. Okay, bye.